7 simple ways to get your life out of a rut. Are you going nowhere fast? Life falls into a rut when we become complacent. Things are going well, so we start striving to keep the status quo. It makes sense. After all, there's very little stress when every day is the same and nothing changes. On the other hand, things get boring pretty quickly. You're not learning new things. Without goals or activity towards those goals, you become stagnant. You've lost forward momentum. Is this any way to live? It's time to haul your life out of that rut. If you're tired of mediocrity, then read on to find out several simple ways to bring back the excitement you've been missing. Embrace the day. How you begin the day tends to dictate how the rest of it will go. This means starting things out on a positive note. Begin with the sunrise. Find somewhere you can watch the sun greet the earth. And as the rays touch the sky, think about all the wonderful things the day holds. Listen to something new. Even an effort so small as trying out something new musically can push you out of your rut. Many musical streaming services offer suggestions of what to listen to next. Rather than stick to your usual playlist, see what's being offered. Play. Children know how to relax and have fun. There's not a 6-year-old in the world who even understands what it means to be in a rut. Do something to engage your inner child. Color or create some messy art. Get some Legos or Play-Doh and create. Need help? Try babysitting. Spending time with actual children will give you an opportunity to play entirely without inhibitions. People watch. What do other people do? Get out and enjoy the conversations around you. Watch how people interact. For bonus points, perform a random act of kindness for someone around you. Engage in randomness. Not sure what to do? Try a coin flip between choices. Or go to a movie theater and see the next movie playing, regardless of what it is. Or pick a book off the shelf at the library without looking first to see what it is. Learn a new language. Learning a new language helps to stimulate the mind toward further growth. The more fun application? A Google search will teach you all the words the language tapes don't show you. It's actually quite satisfying to learn how to swear or say passionate things in another language altogether. Try a different hand. Do something with your opposite hand. This can have pretty hilarious results when you try doing things like art or writing. Try competing with friends to see who is the best opposite hand artist. Ruts aren't hard to beat. Just keep pushing to try new things or to do old things in new ways. Soon, you'll be on the road to excitement.